you never ever want to use a template for anything when it comes to communication because they can spot it a mile away. And also, you never want to be cold calling people in that way. And you write an email to a curator, "Hi, I'm interested in showing. Here's my portfolio. Please take a look." Like, if you think about it from their end, that's a big ask for somebody to look at your work. And unless you have a personal connection, it really doesn't function that way. There is a really particular sequence that I recommend, and it works because I had a gallerist, well, I have a couple who I met last September. And some of them, I think I've seen them 3 or 4 times in person. Now, we're not, like, best friends, but I feel totally comfortable telling them on Instagram DM, "Hey, I'm gonna be in town, can I stop by?" I haven't really done anything like, "Oh, let's go out to dinner," 'cause something more involved than that, but if you hang out with them enough, they'll ask you, and that's the thing, I think a lot of artists were, like, always thinking we have to ask for things. When you get to a point of being fairly friendly with them, they will ask you. That is the best way for you to get in touch with the gallerist. You spend enough time together that then they want to see your work. So much easier. Like, I always thought about it the same way, which was that I gotta approach them, I gotta ask them, what do I say? And it's not the case. And then they will ask you. Like, I was talking to a gallerist a couple months ago, and I think I've met her 3 times now. And we were just talking about things, and she said to me, "Oh, what are you doing in your work?" And we had never talked about my work before. I think we had at least 2 meetings before that happened. And that was really nice. Again, like, I didn't have to ask for anything. She just asked me. These gallerists and curators, they are inundated with so many artists who are just bothering them left and right to look at their stuff. And I think as artists, we just don't think about that. We don't realize how much they are being asked